Meaning of depressing.
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 Depressing. Depressing is an adjective used to describe something that causes sadness, hopelessness, or low spirits. It can refer to a situation, event, or person that produces feelings of discouragement and despair. A depressing experience can be caused by a variety of factors, including personal problems, loss, failure, or a lack of fulfillment in life. Feelings of depression can result in a number of physical symptoms including tiredness, difficulty sleeping, poor appetite, and a lack of energy. Ultimately, depression can have a negative impact on mental and emotional health, and it is important to seek help if experiencing such symptoms.